And now, as the feud between Remy Ma and Papoose continues to unravel, another heavyweight steps into the ring, literally. World champion boxer Claressa Shields has her own bone to pick with Remy Ma, and it has nothing to do with Papoose. In a viral interview with Jamila Hill, Claressa Shields set the record straight. "My desire to put my paws on Remy Ma has absolutely nothing to do with her rumored romance with Papoose," Shields declared.
Did anybody take you up on 100K?
Come on now.
How much money would it take for you to jump in the ring with Remy Ma? Just want to know.
At this point, the girl leaked my number.
What? Your actual telephone number?
So at this point, you can give me $1 and I'll put my hand over $1.
The topic came up when Hill and Shields discussed her $100,000 challenge to any woman who could beat her in a fight. Shields confirmed that no one had stepped forward, but quickly revealed she'd fight Remy Ma for a fraction of that price. But why the eagerness to fight Remy Ma? Shields explained, "At this point, the girl leaked my number, so you can give me $1 and I'll put my hand over her." Shields emphasized that her issue with Remy Ma was strictly professional. "It don't have nothing to do with whatever else," she said. "It's just that part alone. That part there is where it's like, I'm a businesswoman. Don't leak my number." Shields expressed her disbelief over the act, making it clear that she's ready to defend her privacy and her reputation. What do you think about Claressa Shields stepping into this already heated feud? Is Remy Ma crossing the line, or is Shields overreacting? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on the latest celebrity drama. Stay tuned and stay curious.